Kia ora, I'm Julie from the Education Group, and I want to welcome you to our new workshop next year called Structured Literacy, Bring It to Life. It is around taking the knowledge that you have received in your ministry, PLD, and now bringing it to life in the classroom as you integrate it through the subjects that you teach. For older students, they don't want to be sitting, churning through knowledge that is to them quite boring day in and day out. What we want to do is bring that knowledge to life so that they become literate, comprehending students as they move through to high school. This workshop is geared for year 5 to 8 students and for teachers that want to really understand how to take the toolbox of strategies and knowledge that have been taught to them and integrate them well through their class programs. I'm sure you will find it of great value, and I look forward to seeing you. If you would like to join us in our Structured Literacy workshop, please book online through our website.